Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a button door and a regular door. So first what you want to do, make a door, right? Yeah. And then what you want to do is make little squares. Then you can copy and see to like lift it up. So you want them facing front with texture. Then you want transparency to be -500. Then you want that to be 1. You can switch them if you want. I just want my door to go down. And then this one, you want this one to be -500 too. And then this is going to be 2 because that's going to be second area. The right is the speed. So if you want the door to go down fast, that'll be good. So Shift G when you like shift and click all of them. And then wire your plot. And then you have a door. How to make a button door is you want to do this. You can keep the buttons and everything. And then Control C, just shift that over there. And now you want this to be 4. Okay, make sure that's 4. And then the speed, just the same as those. Now, how to make the button. If you want it to be a button, then you would put on cylinder, spin it around. And then you would Shift C to make the actual button. Okay, so once you made the button, I'm gonna make that a little actually. Okay, so once you made the button, what you want to do is bring that over there, make it like half the size, because we're gonna make 2 of those right next to each other. And then you want Shift C again, and then you want these 3 things. Okay, so once you do that, you want it to be front again, and then you want it to be 1. And then the right again is how fast. So this time it would be how fast you want the button to go down. Okay, and then that's gonna be 2. Now this, it's actually gonna be 3, 2 with -500 because you want it to always be -500. So now what you want to do is color this any color you want. So like I want it to be whatever this color is. You want that to be as same as the 4, so the 3 and the 4 should be the same color. Okay, now what you want to do, shift these all together. Okay, and then you want to combine these together. So make sure these are not connected. And then if you wire, I made mine go slow. You see, it works. Okay, well, that's how you make a door and button door. And if you want me to make something else, I can.